Can genetic screening prevent schizophrenia? Imagine being able to spot a risk for a serious mental health condition before any symptoms show up. That's the promise of genetic screening, but can it really stop schizophrenia from developing? Right now, genetic screening cannot prevent schizophrenia. It can, however, help identify people who might have a higher chance of developing it based on their genes. This can be useful for early monitoring and planning support. Schizophrenia is a complex disorder influenced by many genes and environmental factors. It's not caused by just one gene but a mix of genetic variants and life experiences. Because of this complexity, using genetic screening alone to prevent it isn't possible yet. Scientists have found some genetic clues linked to schizophrenia. For example, variants in the complement component for gene affect brain development processes like synaptic pruning, which happens during adolescence. This process is important because it helps the brain refine neural connections, but if it goes wrong, it might contribute to schizophrenia. Genetic testing can also look for rare genetic syndromes associated with schizophrenia. It can give an estimate of risk through polygenic risk scores, which combine the effects of many genetic variants. These scores can suggest who might be more likely to develop the disorder, but they are not accurate enough to predict with certainty. Genetic counseling is a growing field that helps families understand what genetic information means. While genetic testing isn't used to diagnose or treat schizophrenia directly, counseling can help families with a history of the disorder make informed decisions and plan early interventions. Looking ahead, researchers are working to improve genetic screening methods. They aim to combine genetic data with environmental and clinical information to create personalized prevention plans. Still, effective prevention will likely depend on targeting biological pathways involved in brain development and immune function, not just on genetic testing. So, to answer the question clearly, genetic screening can provide useful information about risk but cannot prevent schizophrenia at this time. It's best used as part of a broader approach that includes early detection, education, and supportive care to lessen the impact of the disorder.